Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Dutch cocoa is probably one of the most versatile and decadent ingredients you can add to your baking and cooking repertoire, offering a rich, deep chocolate flavor that's smoother and less acidic than natural cocoa powder. Its unique processing, which involves treating the cocoa beans with an alkaline solution, neutralizes their acidity, resulting in a beautiful dark color and a milder taste that blends seamlessly into a variety of recipes, from delicate cakes and cookies to rich sauces and beverages. If you're looking to elevate your chocolate creations and achieve a professional level finish, understanding the nuances of Dutch cocoa is key to unlocking its full potential and ensuring your dishes are nothing short of extraordinary. Number 5. Organic Cocotropic Mushroom Hot Cocoa. Introducing our organic Cocotropic Mushroom Hot Cocoa, a delightful alternative to your usual coffee. It's a sugar-free hot chocolate experience crafted with premium organic ingredients. We've combined organic cocoa powder with powerful mushrooms like reishi and chaga, plus maca root and turmeric. This blend offers a unique and beneficial mix for your daily routine. Experience sustained focus and natural energy without the unpleasant jitters. This beverage is designed to support your mental clarity and keep you going throughout the day. Not only does it provide energy, but it also helps to uplift your mood. Enjoy a delicious way to feel better and more balanced, naturally. This 16-ounce package provides a generous supply for you to enjoy. It's the perfect way to start your morning or enjoy a comforting, healthy treat any time of day. What we like. This option offers a unique blend of functional mushrooms for sustained focus and energy without the jitters. If you're looking for a healthier hot chocolate alternative that supports mood and energy levels, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to boost their cognitive function while enjoying a delicious treat. What people say. The Dutch cocoa is a rich, dark chocolate powder that provides an intense cocoa flavor. It dissolves easily in both hot and cold liquids, making it versatile for various recipes. The fine texture of the cocoa powder ensures a smooth consistency in baked goods and beverages. Number 4. Black cocoa powder, 8 ounces. Unleash the deepest, darkest chocolate hues in your baked goods. Our cocoa powder provides an intensely rich chocolate flavor that will impress. Elevate your desserts with an unparalleled depth of chocolate taste. It's the secret to truly decadent and memorable treats. Looking for a natural way to achieve a dramatic dark color? This is your perfect substitute for artificial black food coloring. Experience the smooth, refined taste of Dutch processed cocoa. Its gentle processing ensures a less bitter and more complex chocolate profile. Enjoy the pure, unsweetened essence of intense dark chocolate. It's perfectly balanced for your sweet creations. Feel good about your baking with our fair trade certified cocoa. We are committed to ethical sourcing and sustainable practices. What we like. Achieve incredibly dark and rich chocolate baked goods with this intensely dark cocoa. If you're a baker aiming for a dramatic visual appeal and deep chocolate flavor in your creations, this is the one. It's ideal for recipes where a natural black food coloring substitute is desired. What people say. The Dutch cocoa has a rich, deep chocolate flavor that is perfect for baking. It dissolves easily in liquids, making it great for hot cocoa and sauces. The fine powder texture ensures a smooth consistency in recipes. Number 3. Rodelle Gourmet Baking Cocoa Powder. Discover the deep, rich flavor of our gourmet baking cocoa. It's specially processed for a smooth, less acidic taste that enhances all your favorite recipes. Whether you're making decadent brownies or a comforting cup of hot chocolate, this cocoa powder is your ideal ingredient. It delivers exceptional taste every time. Our unique Dutch processing method ensures a wonderfully smooth and less acidic profile. This makes it perfect for a wide range of sweet creations. The convenient resealable pouch keeps the cocoa fresh for every use. Enjoy the same great quality from the first scoop to the last. Transform your baking with this premium cocoa powder. Its superior quality and flavor will make your desserts truly unforgettable. What we like. Experience a smooth, less acidic taste perfect for a wide range of desserts. If you appreciate a refined flavor profile that complements both hot chocolate and baked goods, this is an excellent selection. Its resealable pouch ensures freshness, making it a convenient choice for frequent bakers. What people say. The Dutch cocoa has a rich, deep chocolate flavor that is perfect for baking. It dissolves easily in liquids, making it great for hot chocolate or sauces. The fine powder texture ensures a smooth consistency in recipes. Number 2. Anthony's Organic Cocoa Powder. Discover the rich, deep flavor of Anthony's Organic Cocoa Powder. It's the perfect ingredient for all your baking needs. Experience culinary-grade quality in every spoonful. This cocoa powder is specially processed for exceptional baking results. Our Dutch processed cocoa offers a smoother, less bitter taste. It's ideal for creating decadent desserts and baked goods. Enjoy guilt-free baking with our gluten-free and non-GMO cocoa powder. It's a wholesome choice for your family. Perfect for your keto lifestyle, this cocoa powder allows you to indulge in delicious treats without the carbs. It's a versatile addition to your pantry. Get more of what you love with our convenient 1-pound package. This generous size ensures you'll always have enough for your recipes. What we like. This organic, culinary-grade cocoa powder is a fantastic option for health-conscious bakers. If you follow a keto diet or prefer non-GMO, gluten-free ingredients, this product fits the bill. It's versatile for all your baking needs, ensuring quality and dietary compliance. What people say. The Dutch cocoa has a rich, deep chocolate flavor that is perfect for baking. It dissolves easily in liquids, making it great for hot chocolate or sauces. The fine powder texture ensures a smooth consistency in recipes. Number 1. Guittard Rouge Red Dutch Processed Cocoa Powder. Discover the rich, deep color and smooth flavor of our unsweetened Rouge Red Dutch Processed Cocoa. Perfect for all your baking needs, it brings a beautiful hue and exceptional taste to your creations. This cocoa powder is unsweetened, allowing you complete control over the sweetness of your recipes. Its Dutch processed nature ensures a milder, smoother chocolate flavor that complements a wide range of desserts. Achieve a stunning, vibrant red color in your baked goods with this unique cocoa. It's ideal for red velvet cakes, cookies, and any recipe where a striking visual appeal is desired. Packaged in a convenient 8-ounce can, it's easy to store and use. Keep it fresh for your next baking adventure and enjoy consistent, high-quality results every time. Transform your everyday baking into something extraordinary. With its superior quality and distinct characteristics, it's the secret ingredient for professional-looking and delicious treats. What we like. Discover a distinct flavor profile with a beautiful rouge red hue in your baked goods. If you're looking to add a unique visual and taste element to your desserts, this cocoa is a standout. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different chocolate nuances in their recipes. What people say. Rich and deep chocolate flavor, perfect for baking. Mixes smoothly into batters and doughs. Gives baked goods a beautiful dark color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.